If you're seeing the X.com or Twitter error 7, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quick steps to fix it. This error is usually caused by an extension, an ad blocker, a VPN, or old browser data, so we're going to go through the most effective fixes one by one. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting tutorials just like this. First, look at your browser extensions. Click the extensions icon in your browser toolbar and check whether you have an ad blocker enabled. If you do, click the option to turn off the ad blocker for X.com or Twitter. Some ad blockers can block the page from loading properly and trigger error 7, so disabling it is an important first step. Next, check if you have a VPN turned on. If you are using a VPN, disable it temporarily and then refresh the page. X.com can sometimes flag VPN traffic or fail to load correctly while the VPN is active, so turning it off can solve the issue right away. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then clear them from your browser. Old cookies and cached data can cause login issues, loading problems, and strange errors like this one. After clearing the data, close the browser tab, reopen X.com, and sign in again if needed. In many cases, these 3 steps are enough to fix error 7 and get X.com working normally again. So just remember the process. Disable the ad blocker, turn off any VPN, and clear cookies and cache using Ctrl, Shift, and Delete it. If you want more quick fixes like this, subscribe now and stay updated with easy step-by-step solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.